sealing the truck this morning because it was pretty much on fumes when it was brought in last night. So I really don't feel like having Kevin push the truck today.
He don't feel like pushing the truck today either. Well, we did it. We got the sign up there. There it is. Alan's down for the count. What do you think, Alan? How'd it do? What?
That's it, professional. Now, does that look good to you? You went to check it out? Doesn't look crooked?
I don't think so. Here, if we just hold the camera this way, it looks pretty straight. See, like that?
Level camera.
It's level now. Let's stop Tom doing. Follow him and find out.
We just got done installing a raceway which contained letters on the face to create a semi-completed sign. We've run the wireway through the brick so the electricians can do a final tie-in. So that's called a whip. And then we've assembled the 3 sections of the sign and attached the raceways together, and then used a screw which is called a tapcon, where we pre-bore the brick surface through a pre-drilled hole in the raceway, and then we use this tapcon with a washer and affix it to the brick wall. All the letters are pre-wired and the transformers are already in the letters